Hello guys, so today I'm going to be making a random game. I'm going to see how good ChatGPT is at coming up with games ideas. And I'm not going to make it too complex or it's not going to even be hard. It's not even going to be on Python or JavaScript or C++. I'm going to code it on Turbo Warp. And let's see here. If you don't know, Turbo Warp is a mod of Scratch 3. It's really useful and stuff. So, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to give me a random game idea for a quick YouTube video. It's actually live stream. It says pixel puzzles. You're given a grid filled with random colored blocks, and you have to recreate a specific pattern or image within a time limit. The catch? The blocks move around randomly every few seconds, making it harder to finish the pattern. You can lock certain blocks to keep them in place, but you have limited locks. I guess that could work. It could take me a short while, I guess, but it could work. Let's see here. Okay, fine. I'm gonna start. First, I will start by making a block, or I mean, like the actual grid with a bunch of blocks. Should be like a. Should the image be? Boring. Whatever, I'm just going to go with like a nice landscape. It's pretty cool. I would use the Windows XP Bliss, but not now. I guess not. I don't. Come on. I have to download it, it's so annoying. Okay, that worked. Okay, it's downloaded. Now I can put it here. I will make it. Let's see. It says it's 450 by 300. Then what I'm gonna do is split it up into pieces. That wasn't very good. I'm so bad at this. I grab this and just do that. But how do I get it to split evenly then? What if I just split it in half? Because half of 300 is still 150. I got 148 that time. So this is 130. I got too much. I cut off too much. Then there's 140, that's still too much. I've got to cut less. This is 146, I'm getting closer. It's too much, 174. And then I'm gonna 153, that's really close. But I have to get it exactly, otherwise it would not work that well, I guess. 149. Fine. 160. No. It's too little. Too much. Too little. Too little. Too much. You know, I'm starting to think I should do something else now. What? Doesn't make sense. What do you mean a trail? Let's see. Wait, actually, let me see if it's something first. What the heck? I'm watching myself. Oh, that wasn't very good. It's so crazy. Why is it so laggy though? That wasn't very good. I think my computer's just like this. It's so bad at literally so laggy. I can't even get it to run at 4. It's so bad at this. Why is it genuinely so laggy? That wasn't whatever. I guess my computer's just broken. Oh, that wasn't very good. It's not. It's not even moving. I grab this. Okay, so the live is back up now. My bitrate is still absolutely trash though. Already orange and yellow. It's not good. What is wrong with my audio? It's even worse. What is wrong with my audio? Hello? What is going on? What? Okay, I think it's smooth. It's a lot smoother now. It's definitely a lot smoother. Alright, fine. Let's keep going. Game title is Echo Chamber. Wait, actually, let me change the title of this live stream. Okay, anyways, game title is Echo Chamber. In this game, you control a ball that bounces around the close environment. However, the twist is that every time it bounces, leaves an echo trail behind it. These echoes slowly grow in size and become obstacles that you have to avoid or use to your advantage. The goal is to last as long as possible without hitting your own echoes or the walls of the chamber. So it's basically Snake, but with a bouncy ball. How are you supposed to control the ball? This echoes will start small. Actually, the live stream is mostly about coding the game, and also how are you supposed to control the ball. No, oh my god, it's not understanding. Ball constantly falls the mouse cursor. What? I know how to do this, okay? But if you're making a ball that gets controlled by gravity and is bouncy, then you're not really controlling it yourself, aren't you? No, why are you giving me pseudocode? I don't need pseudocode. Okay, then I guess, but let's see. Is that even possible? What does this do? Oh my god, the stream's current bitrate is lower than the recommended bitrate. Nah, really? Are you judging me based on my really trash computer that's literally burning up right now? Let's see, how am I supposed... Is there a way I can just like see the chat? how laggy. Okay, I don't care. Okay, fine, whatever. I still don't understand. Yeah, but how are they supposed to, like, dodge the echoes if the ball is bouncing? Then you're not really controlling it. Control the ball's direction, that is continuous movement. Use to adjust direction. You can steer by changing direction movement. Each time the ball moves, trails left behind. I don't need pseudocode, okay? Okay, whatever. I'm gonna make a quick ball right here. It's gonna be easy. I'm gonna make it green for quite very obvious reasons. Then I'm gonna make it more green. Just kidding. I'm gonna add a cool gradient. Gonna make it slightly darker. Gonna add one of these cool little thingy things. Then I'm gonna duplicate it. Instead of doing it for the center, I will make it upwards. Then I will stretch it like this. Uh-oh. So hard to do with without a mouse. Then I can adjust this little part over here and this little part over here. That's good, that's good. Then I can make this maybe a little bit less opaque, yet still make it bigger. Like this. That's nice. Then I can just push it against here. Then I don't have a mouse here. Like this, perfect. Then on the other side, you can do the same thing. Looks perfect now. Don't ask why I bother making a further arrow ball, but okay. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. This is way too big. But I'm also going to make the stage size be 640, so it's widescreen game. And I'm gonna make a cool little background here. It's just gonna be like a regular, like a dark blue, like this. It's gonna be solid, like this. Maybe a little gradient. That really didn't make a single difference. Then just a little lower gradient. This, like this. Yep, that's okay. Then I can go back to I'll name this the player sprite. Player. Then I can go here when green flag is clicked. Then forever. I'm gonna make a quick gravity script. This is quite literally the first thing I ever learned when I was a new scratcher, like 4 years ago. Then if I'm gonna make a little ground. I'm gonna make the ground over here. This is the ground. It's supposed to be a 0, 0. Did I just delete it? 0, 0. Then make it just a tiny bit so it's barely visible right there. So basically the code is going to be if touching sprite 1, look, if touching sprite 1, then change y by 1. Guess that's good enough. Then I can make a new set. No, not this. Set variable. You can make a variable called y velocity. Then change y by 1. Then set y velocity to 0. Then change this to always change y velocity by -1. And then always change y by y velocity. Let's test if that works. That absolutely did not work. I mean, I guess it kinda did. But I kinda wanted it to. Oh yeah, I can make it bounce. I can just set y velocity to y. Look. I can set y velocity times -1 divided by, no, look, -1 times y velocity divided by, I don't know, like 1.5. So 1.5 energy loss. I'm gonna put this here, this here. Let's see if that works though. Set the y to set everything to 0, 0. It works. It actually bounces. And then when it loses all its energy, it sinks into the ground. And we don't want that to happen. And also, I think just way too little bouncy. But if I make it this bouncy, it works. What if I set it to 60 frames per second? Actually, that would be more fun. Yeah, but it still sinks into the ground. How can I fix that? How can I possibly fix that? Let's see. I could do like a little. What if I just don't delete the change y by 1? That work? Yes, it actually works. Wow, it actually works. That was such a simple fix. And I was skeptical of it, but it actually works. Then, now that we have a gravity script, we can make a thing called move. It's actually, I don't think we need this. We can just do if. Wait, no, actually, we can just do change. We're gonna make a new variable called xvel, x velocity. I spelled it wrong. X velocity. Hide this. Set x velocity. No, change x velocity by key right arrow pressed minus key left arrow pressed. And then change yvel by up arrow and down arrow. Let's see if that works now. What? Oh yeah, x velocity isn't doing anything yet. I need to change that by doing this and then xvel. That, oh, what? I didn't even press anything. I haven't even touched anything yet. Is this swapped? Do I have to swap this? What? What is happening? I'm not pressing anything though. Oh yeah, I think it's because I probably forgot to set. Why is it a -126? I have to set it to 0 first. Oh yeah, no, it was. I was definitely right the first time. It was just not working because I forgot to reset it. But it definitely works now. What is happening? It's going the wrong way. Okay, now it's fixed. It's very hard to control because the ball just shoots up, or I mean like right or left. What if I set it like divided by xvel is greater, what? Look, xvel is greater than 0. Then times xvel divided by 1.5. this could definitely work, I guess. I think this could work. What? Why is it? Oh, what? Infinity? I haven't even. What is happening? Fine, I'm just gonna make it if xval is not 0, then that. Still, like instant infinity. What does this even do? Oh, is it because I'm dividing it? What if I just do this? What if I just do this? So, that's the problem then. What if we multiply it by that? Now it's not doing anything at all. What is genuinely happening? Oh, I know why that's happening actually. It's because it has no friction, it never slows down. That's what that's why it's so hard to control. If xo is greater than 0, then change xo by negative 0.75. Else, if xo is less than 0, then change xo, then change xo by negative, wait no, by positive 0.75, like this. Never mind, the thing that loses speed way too fast now. It's like I'm just instantly putting all the brakes. What if I 0.1 0.1? Whoa. What is happening? I know, I think the problem is that I put this in if else. Should just let them be their own separate if. Why is it gaining speed? Oh, I'm dumb. I forgot to add the negative sign. Still gaining speed though. Why is it? Okay, what if I do negative 0.5? Then negative 0. And then positive 0.5. I think I'll stick with the 0.1s and then just divide that by a little, like 2 or 1.5. Just not make it too fast. But on the other hand, make this as fast as you want. Not as fast as you want either. My computer's actually so laggy. so laggy right now. So hot. Like everything's just. And the bitrate's obviously very terrible. Okay, let's what is happening? Then I have to multiply it by 3. It's very broken, but it works. Now I need to make the exact same thing, but flipped. I meant by flipped. I meant this kind of flipped. Let's see here. Here, what? Didn't do anything. But it's been so much easier to just put it up there manually than putting this weird dot thing. It's not even working. Okay, here I added added a ceiling. I'm gonna have to do remove fencing. Sprite 2 does the same thing, but changed by -1. So now there should be a vertical wall like this. I mean a vertical ceiling, like a ceiling on the other side. I mean a ceiling like a ceiling. This is the floor, and this is the ceiling. What if I just make it change y-val? No. Change y-val by big number. I think that might have skyrocketed a bit. It's literally going off limits. Like instantly. Slowing down so slow. I don't think the game was meant for this kind of stuff. Oh great, it doesn't reset it. What if I just do 100? Yep, it's bouncing a lot like crazy, but it doesn't go off screen. It's supposed to be 60 frames per second. This is like 20 frames. And my hands burn every time I try to touch it. I don't think this is good for my GPU or my computer in general. It's 88 Celsius. That's actually crazy. It's never been like this. The most it has ever been is like 70, 60. How hot is too hot for GPU? What? It's constantly exceeds 85 Celsius. This is literally 88. This is too much. I think my GPU is gonna die. 88 Celsius GPU. I'm dying. You know, the worst part is that I haven't cleaned I haven't cleaned the fans or anything in like 4 years. I have not done that. What's it even using that much for? Does it really need that much just for a simple live stream? Like, come on, dude. Even my CPU is only at 1.39 gigahertz. It's usually like 2. But I mean, that makes sense. It's not like I'm running some sort of algorithm stuff. It's just my GPU's over here dying. I want to know this GPU, AMD Radio, Vega 8 Is it integrated graphics or is it like its own thing? From all this stuff, I'm assuming it's its own thing, not integrated graphics. Is integrated. Oh yeah, it is then. Wait a second, then how is my CPU at a different stress level? Doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna cool down my laptop. Oh wow! My favorite thing in all of programming. I love floating point errors. Yay, they're so fun. Wee, my ball's heading off to the Shadow Realm. Whatever, now I gotta make the walls. Put the wall over here. Gonna make the other wall. Put the wall over here. Get a player. Then if it's touching 3. Wait. If it's touching sprite 3. Change exfil. Then 4, yeah. I'm just gonna put that in there, then test it. Obviously, I need a thing. Is this how it works? Nope, I'm doing it the opposite way. This one goes here, and this one goes here. Perfect bouncy room. No glitches at all. It's literally glitching everything. Where's the left wall? Where is it? Oh, it's so off. So far away that I can't even see it. Where is it? Why is it a negative 68x? Dumb thing, it's supposed to be right there. It's not supposed to be like 5 miles away. This is so trash, but also very good. Now for my favorite part, more CPU stressing. Always create clone of myself. Then when I start as a clone, repeat 50. Change. This is so frustrating. Change ghost effect by 2. Then delete the clone. Let's test that out now. So I mean, it works, but it's a little bit too much. This is way shorter now. Why does it always clip through the? Why is it literally at 2,000? What is happening? Oh, I know. It's because I forgot to change these variables over here too. So silly. Finally, it's working like it should be. Simple trail, but I think should be even short. Never mind, I think that's good, but also change the size by maybe 1. That's too much. 1, yeah, 1. Okay, what about 2? Yeah, I think that's good. It looks so satisfying. But how are you supposed to avoid the trail? The trail is always touching the player. It's coming from the player. Okay, where's the ceiling at then? Where is the ceiling? Phew. Okay, I guess this is it.